Darjeeling is famous for three T's, that is, tea, timber, and tourism. Since many decades, it has been a hotspot for tourists. It is also called the Queen of Hills because of its weather, beautiful landscapes, and biodiversity. It has many rare and beautiful species of flora and fauna hidden in its depths. Every year, many wildlife enthusiasts and photographers are attracted by its rich collection of flora and fauna. It is also home to a very rare and special species of amphibian, the Himalayan salamander. The Himalayan salamander, also known as the Himalayan newt, is as old as these hills are. It has been living in these heights since the Jurassic period. They have not changed much since the Jurassic period. They are living fossils. The most important factor of their survival since the Jurassic period is their ability to regenerate their organs, that is, they have the ability to grow back their organs once they are mutilated. Many instances are there when a salamander with a disfigured organ is observed in a controlled environment and it is proved that their organs grow back to their proper form. Himalayan salamanders are carnivores. They feed on diving beetles, tadpoles of frogs and toads, insects and other smaller creatures. There are many places in Darjeeling where the Himalayan salamanders can be found. These places are Sukhia Pokhari, Rangbul, Sitong, Ringtong, Mirik and many other places in these heights. We are shooting this film in a place named Ringtong. Ringtong is a small village in Market Soap Tea State below Sunada. In Ringtong, there is a small pond which is known as Salamander Lake. This name has been given to the lake due to the abundance of Himalayan salamanders in this lake. To shoot this film, we are taking the help of Mr. Ramesh Rai. He is a local resident. He has been observing and studying these creatures since 1996. He has written many articles about these creatures in local languages. He also acts as a guide to those who come here to see these magnificent creatures. The life cycle of a Himalayan salamander consists of three stages. These stages are egg, tadpole and adult. The eggs when laid are simply a patch of transparent gel-like substance which slowly takes a rounded shape with a black dot inside it. The eggs are carefully attached to the aquatic plants to prevent them from flowing away during heavy rain. The black dot in this egg slowly starts to take the shape of a tadpole. After a few days, the tadpole comes out of the egg, leaving the gel behind. The Himalayan salamander tadpoles are very hard to find, but Mr. Rai took the effort of finding one for us to show in this film. These tadpoles have horns-like projections around their head. These projections are actually the external gills which help them to live completely underwater during this stage. The Himalayan salamanders breed from May to mid-August and only in this period of the year they can be found in water. Other times they are found hibernating in burrows, corners of cowsheds and other warm places. Although Himalayan salamanders take oxygen from the air, they are well adapted to live in water. Their body is built in such a way that they are very comfortable underwater. Unlike frogs and toads, they don't have webbed feet. Instead, they have a strong flat tail which helps them to move underwater. The tail is shaped like a double-edged dagger. There is even a belief among the locals that their tail can cut through human flesh. There are many factors which have threatened the Himalayan salamanders of this lake. The most dangerous factor is the absence of proper drainage in these regions. All the wastewater outlets of the nearby village have been directed towards this pond, which is polluting the pond day by day. Another factor is the fishing activity in this pond. During the vacations, the school children of the neighboring villages come here to pass their time, probably fish. Most of the time, the Himalayan salamanders catch their bait instead of the fishes, and these harmless creatures are killed in large numbers every year by the unaware children. There are many steps to be taken in order to conserve these creatures. The first step would be to generate awareness amongst the local people about these magnificent creatures and their role in the ecological balance.